Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll be checking out the 5 newest features on WhatsApp, which are now finally released in the regular version of WhatsApp. So you don't need to use the WhatsApp beta version anymore. Okay, now let's dive in and see what these new features are. The first exciting feature that is now available in the standard WhatsApp version is the screen sharing feature. This feature allows you to share your screen during a video call using the WhatsApp application. To activate it is very easy. During a video call, just tap the screen sharing icon. This will allow the person you're talking to see what's on your smartphone screen. This feature is great for sharing information or giving tutorials. Plus, you can also use it to display PowerPoint slides during presentations. Then moving on to the second exciting feature. You now have the ability to edit messages after you've sent them. And in the latest version, you can even edit captions of the photos you've sent. To edit the message you've sent, simply tap the 3 dots icon on the top right corner. From there, just select the edit option. This will allow you to make changes to the message you've sent. And if you want to edit the caption you've just sent, the process is similar. Just tap the 3 dots icon at the top right corner, then select the edit button. From there, you can easily modify the caption that was just sent. Moving on to the next exciting feature that's now available in the regular version of WhatsApp. This feature allows you to send short videos. And these videos will appear in a circular shape. The process of sending these short videos is simple. Just tap the microphone icon at the bottom right corner. When you do that, the microphone icon will change to a camera icon. And then here, just press and hold the camera icon to record a short video. And here you can also use the front or rear camera when recording a short video. After recording, the videos will be automatically compiled into a short circular video format. Now let's move on to the next exciting feature that's finally available in the regular WhatsApp version, which is the ability to send photos in HD format. In this latest WhatsApp update, you can send photos and tap on the HD button at the top. From there, you can choose the quality of the photos you want to send. Here you have the option to select the standard quality, or you can choose the HD quality for the better detail in the photo. When you send a photo using this new HD feature, the photo you send will have an HD icon in the lower left corner. But that's not all, because this feature extends to videos as well. In the regular WhatsApp version, you can now directly send videos in HD resolution. The process for sending a video with HD resolution is quite similar to sending a photo. Just pick the video from the gallery and tap the HD button at the top and you're all set. This allows you to send a video with slightly better quality than the usual version. After sending, you'll notice that there is an HD icon in the lower left corner of the video, signifying that this video was sent in the latest HD format. And with this new HD feature, you can now also use this HD quality when updating your WhatsApp story or status. Here's how you can do it. Just forward the media you've sent in SD format to your WhatsApp status or story. If you are still unsure about the steps how to do it, you can refer to the video displayed on the screen. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.